This is the E2 Black Rainbow, and I'll show you a quick tutorial on it. I'll plug it in here. I'll shut this guy off here. And what's cool with this one, it's going to do the same thing as the other one, obviously. And if you come on down in here, you can see that gray button. You press it, that's all. And that releases it from the wheels. One clip, two clip, and it comes off. So the fill line is to the bubble. So you can see the bubble there.
Yep.
Or to there, whatever you can see better.
Okay.
And then you can't even put it wrong if you wanted to. You could, it doesn't, there's one way. So the opening goes to the opening. Clip it, latch it, then you place that on the wheels. And then see how that's flat?
Yep.
And then see how that's flat?
Yep.
Line it up, line it up. And once you do that, it'll automatically lock into it. Okay, so there's ready to go. And then the hose, like I said, this is it's pretty cool because it's the long 14-footer. And then what you do is see the little electric.
Yeah.
That's for the electric. So what you do is just lift it, and once you do that, and then to release it, just press the two tabs.
Okay.
All right, so that's how it goes on there. And then the what do you call it? Here it is. This is the one for the actual area rugs. And all you do is just clip it on there, and it's ready to go. I mean, doesn't get any easier than that.
Yep. Okay.
And when you're going to use it for the hardwood floors, which you have tons of, all you do is see the gray, press it, or put your foot out and pull it, and it comes right off.
Okay.
And that's the ease of it. So it's very, very simple, very user friendly. And then what's neat is that the only to leave it as you could actually use it as an air cleaner. It has the high, obviously, but it also has the quiet speed. So you could put it in the kids' bedroom and let it be as an air purification system, right? And then that shuts off there. And then the only maintenance when you're not using it, when you're finished with the whole house, rinse that out, obviously, dry it out, and then just leave it on the wheels.
Okay.
Separate from the bowl. What that does, that air dries the water reservoir. And that's it on it. And then you got the standard tools, couches, dusting, and then obviously the crevice tool for like edges and stuff, right? This is a newer style, but it'll suffice. So I think you're good. And then this one is for the edges and corners. And there's it. That's it.
Okay. Awesome.